Welcome, this is Diane with Faithart Design Studio, and in this video I am going to do a kit opening with you. You know, I talk about all the time that being here in Florida, I don't really have access to any local shops that have real vintage items. And my friend Janie from the Crafting Bookworm down in Texas said, Diane, I have the same problem, but I ordered some online from a woman on Etsy. And the name is Clemens Crafts. Can you read that? Clemens Crafts. And so I went online to Etsy and saw her shop, and actually, when I see these packages, they're usually like $70, $80, $90, which I don't have money to spend on. But I got this entire kit for $28. And so I decided, let's do opening online. I never do those because I very rarely buy stuff from other people. So this is the way it came. It came within like 5 days of ordering. And this is, you can get a pack of just the papers for $18, but then you can get some additional things. And I think that was photos and stuff. So I am so excited. So let's open it on up. And I will definitely link her Etsy shop in the description in this video. So let's look and see what you can get for $28. Now that's USD, of course, from Etsy. Let's move this. We don't need this big piece of envelope. Let me put that down. Okay. Oh, well, this is interesting. I'm going to love using this. Ooh, what fun stuff do we have in here? Oh, yay. Oh my gosh, look. So stamps, canceled stamps. Let's see how old these are. Can I tell? No, I have no idea, actually. I don't see any dates on them. But that's just really cool. Oh, goodness sake. Lots of stamps. Yes. Oh, and of course, did she know? Probably not. But I love flashcards. That's a cool one. And then another little piece that, oh my gosh, look at that. Round cards. Never seen that. Okay, now here's some real vintage stuff. Look at this. General Baggage Agent. Jersey City. Oh, Erie Railroad Company. Okay, I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and the Erie Railroad Company was really near me. We used to go to Erie all the time, so that's a piece of authentic stuff. This is another piece. Yeah, who knows how old that is. Oh, okay, a butterfly. Oh, that's a good idea. Do you know that my dad used to do a ton of slides? And when he died, okay, 20 years ago now, I threw them all away, my brother and I, because we were like, what are we going to do with slides? Now I wish I had them. Look at this, a progress report, citizenship from a high school. Oh gosh, I remember this. A progress report on citizenship. And look at the signature of the teacher. Well, that right there alone was worth an extra couple of bucks, right? Okay, well, that's really fun. Oh, and then she's got some real vintage. And look how nice she puts this in special individual envelopes. Probably so she can pack it. You know, she grabs stuff from here and there. But let's look and see what's in this. And I'm going to actually put this right back in there. Ooh, wow. Yes, this is real vintage paper. Now, let's see. That kind of looks like Latin. Who knows? Oh, but I love the old. Actually, it smells old, but not that disgusting old. Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. I'm so excited. Look at these papers. Yes. Okay, poetry. Oh, my gosh. Some poetry pages. Well, that's cool, from Shakespeare. Okay, those are real vintage papers. Oh gosh, thank you so much. I'm gonna love having, okay, I don't want to get the sticky part on there. You know what I'm gonna do? This is what I usually do when I want to keep things in envelopes that have to stick them. I just take that part off. Then it's in the envelope, but it's not that I gotta fight with all the sticky. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Of course, didn't I just say in my newest kit, my Little Golden Book Journal series, right, that I created all this vintage ephemera for you, because in case you can't find it, and then I found it right after that. Isn't that amazing? Well, that's a God thing. Okay, so if you want to get some authentic stuff, here's where you can get it. Clemens Crafts. Oh my gosh. Of course, I have a bunch of old pictures from my family. Love these. Who knows when these are from? Typically, people used to write the dates on them, but that's fun. Look, bunch of photos. Oh, I have one like this of my grandmother from 1900, okay? And I know it because she's a baby and she was born in 1900. Oh my gosh, look at this one. It's gorgeous. Isn't that stunning in the case? Oh, okay. Now I've got some vintage pictures. Oh, and let's see what she put in this one. Goodness sake, look at all the goodies. So if you want some goodies, you need to go to that link and go visit her. Look at this, more vintage papers. Okay, love's glowing light upon your birthday. Oh, I love this from Illinois. Who knows? Of course, I didn't put the date. Well, I can't see the date. Okay. And then some birds, some old. Now that looks like German. Look at all this old stuff. Oh, wow. Los Angeles, California. Isn't it? 1923. I actually have something from 1923. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This writing looks just like my mother's. Oh, wow. This is fun. Sweetheart. Wifey mine, you were right, darling. I did get 2 letters tonight, as you said I would. I was just ever so surprised, love, and glad too. I was, sweetheart. Oh my gosh, is that not awesome? It's a love letter from 1923 in the gorgeous original envelope. Oh my gosh, that's just so precious. Piece of some papers and then some more. Little old books. What's this one? Oh, awesome. 1938. Oh my gosh, another. Is there something in this one? Or I didn't even, oh, there's something inside. Well, I don't want to open it. I'm afraid to open it. I'll do that offline. And a napkin. Oh, what a wonderful variety. Some old books, some recipe old books. Lots of old, West Palm Beach, Florida. I wonder if she knows I live in Florida. Well, she knows because she sent it to me. From 1954. Oh, how awesome. So just look at this, just getting this little stack. Oh my gosh, this is Chinese. Is that, how weird is that, right? Look at that, it's Chinese. It looks like hymnal in Chinese. Happy day. Oh, that is so awesome. And then look at this, 1947. So this is older than me. I was born in 51. More fun pages. Wow. Okay, you have a stash, girl. You have an awesome stash now. I'll put that one back. Okay, and then she threw in, look at how many packs are in here. Now, I probably didn't need the music papers because I don't know if I told you in one of my videos, but I saw somebody on eBay selling a giant 25-pound box of music papers, and they sold it for $20. Of course, I paid $20 to get it shipped, but I have a box and I have enough music paper. Yeah. When you if you come to one of my weekend retreats that we're doing, you will be getting a stack of music paper. Well, here's some vintage buttons. Okay, what language is this? Che, no idea. Oh, some vintage fundamental operations of the integers. That's from an old numbers book. Oh, I love that. Oh, look, and she runs her papers and stuff through her machine like I do. So that's nice. Nordic Fish, 1935. That looks so new, but it definitely feels old. The paper feels old. Okay, this looks like German. Oh, 1940 from a ledger. Oh, German. So she's got a lot of German stuff. Because this is, oh my gosh. They actually have a bad word on here. Maybe that's not what they meant. Okay, I have no idea. So that's a vintage child's book. Oh, this looks like, okay, these are from an animal book. Oh, and I've never been able to get one of her books. What's this woman's name? That everybody goes nuts over these books, and I can't think of the name either. Edith somebody. Well, thank you for sharing a page. Some more old papers, some more texture. Let's see if I can get it in my hand. Let's just turn it over maybe. Wild honeysuckle. This is all vintage. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Just gorgeous. Oh, thank you for all this fun stuff. Tuna casserole, tuna amandine. A vintage recipe book. More vintage music. That's beautiful. And it's actually Christian, which is perfect for me. Okay, what is this book? Each placemat measures. This looks like maybe it's from a, oh my gosh, I think this is starting at center, chain 8. Oh yeah, so this must be how to crochet, which my grandmothers did. I never learned crocheting. Okay, so a math book page. This is just such a wonderful variety. Oh my gosh, look at this. More fun old, oh, this is 25% cotton fiber papers. Look at how beautiful this is. This is 1910. Oh, wow. Wedding stationery. Ooh, that's a nice piece. I don't have anything like that. Some old maps. More book. Oh, and this must be avocado dyed, which I've never done. So thank you, because I don't do that. Oh, I love these old women's book pages. They're fun. And then just look at all the fun. Oh, I think this is from a piano roll. Thank you. Thank you. Isn't that stuff gorgeous? Okay, that all goes back in this one. I'm going to pile them on top of it. So then we've got some music paper, as I said. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Some large old book pages. Oh, the Illuminations of Early Renaissance Florence. Of course, this is faith-based, which is perfect for me. Evening Toilette from 1870. Bustles, here we go. The portfolio. Let's see, is there a date on this? Okay, 1805. Oh my gosh. 1918 ledger. I have a ledger from the 30s, I think. Oh, is that beautiful? 1940, 1918. And the handwriting. This just so reminds me of my mother and grandmother, who had the most gorgeous handwriting. Beautiful pages. And look at that. That's a fun piece of mixed media. Oh, I think this is wallpaper. Yay! Yes, it's old wallpaper. And then a piece of Braille, which I do have some of this. So that's awesome. And then some really large blank pages. So do you believe all of this? Look at all of this that I got in that kit. This is a bargain. So I'm so glad you came along with me and watched me open and have fun today, because this was actually really fun. So as I said, her name is Clements Crafts. Her name is Vanessa. Vanessa, I'm going to link you to this. And she does have a YouTube channel. She's got an Etsy shop. And then she has a Facebook group. So I'm going to have to join her Facebook group. Thank you so much, Vanessa. Till next time.